Asif, we will be starting. Hi, Ishwari. Ishwari, we will start at 3:05. Can you see my screen, Ishwari? Can you see on your phone my screen? Can you see? Can you read out what's written on the screen? Okay, guys, we will start at 3:05. We'll wait for everyone to join in, and then we'll start at 3:05. Okay. Can everyone to mute themselves? Yeah, how are you feeling now?
Nice.
Better? What happened? Guys, if you want now, you can talk to each other right now. I will tell you at 3:05 when we are starting the meeting. Abhi, if you want, you can unmute yourself and talk to each other.
Yes. I Ishwari. What? Hi, Riya. What are you doing?
Hi Ria.
Seeing cartoon. Which cartoon? Doraemon. You ate food? What? Your voice is not coming, Riya.
Where is teacher?
Teacher is here only. She's just waiting for
Where?
everyone to join. We will start the meeting at 3:05. Okay. I'm just waiting for everyone. You guys can talk. Feel free to talk, guys. You don't have to be quiet.
Riya, can you place the phone straight now?
Yeah. All right. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, some of us have not switched on our videos. Can I request everyone to switch on their videos? I want to take a picture and send.
क्या कर रही है? रुक कीजिए फैन ऑन करो ना.
Okay. So, everyone, smile. I'm taking a picture. Got it. Just send it on school group so that everyone knows and everyone can join. Hi, Abhishek. Why are you hiding there? I saw you. Hi. All right. We'll start it in 2 minutes, exactly at 3:05. Okay. One more minute to go. And as I said earlier, Amrita and Raj have planned an amazing session for you, so you'll enjoy that a lot. One more minute to go. And we'll start at 3:05. Okay. Hi, Lina Miss.
Teacher Leena Miss is joining.
Yes, she's joined. See,
Where she's not looking.
try to move, see all the participants in the video, then you will be able to see her.
Yeah, Leena Patel is written.
हाय
Hi.
हाय कैसे हैं सब लोग
Nice. Fine.
Nice.
हाय अमृता राज
Hi.
हाय सब कैसे हैं बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं सब वेरी गुड
Miss.
और कौन कौन है
Everyone, would you like to share?
ये कौन है? मैं सर. कौन सी मिस है?
हेलो हेलो
Guys,
Hello.
unmute yourself.
Hello, Miss.
हाँ बोलो
कैसे हो?
अच्छी हूँ आप कौन है और कौन है खाली 2 ही जन दिख रहे हैं मुझे 3 ही जन दिख रहे हैं
So we have Shreya, Riya, Kumari, Misbah, Ishwari.
ओह आपकी मीटिंग चल रही है मानसी तो कुछ सिखा रही है क्या
नहीं, so आज अमृता एंड राज सिखा रहे हैं.
हाँ अरे वाह वेरी गुड
हाँ. Okay. All right. So मिस आपको भी कुछ बोलना है आज मीटिंग में या फिर आप बस देखोगे?
हाँ मैं जरा बोल दूं पहले बोल दूं स्टार्ट करूं
आप बोल दो.
हाँ
Yes.
सब बच्चों को बेटा आप मैं जो होमवर्क भेज रही ना बेटा मुझे मालूम है कि सबको पॉसिबल नहीं हो रहा है लेकिन आज मैंने देखो वीक में खाली ट्यूसडे को अपना पीरियड रहता है पीटी का तो वीक में कभी भी भेजो बेटा ट्यूसडे को नहीं भेजा तो अगले ट्यूसडे तक जो 7 दिन रहते हैं उस बीच में वो एक्टिविटी करके मुझे भेजना है बेटा क्योंकि आपको मार्क्स चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए
चाहिए.
हाँ तो आपको उस दिन टाइम नहीं ना मिला तो उस दिन नहीं मत भेजो लेकिन अगले 2 दिन में भेजो ना बेटा अभी कल संडे को मैं एक रिवीजन का एक वीडियो दूंगी कुछ वार्मिंग अप का वो आप देखो जरा और थोड़ी थोड़ी जिसमें से जो जो एक्टिविटी आपको करने को मिलेगी और आप कर सकते हैं वो एक्टिविटी का वीडियो निकाल के मुझे भेजो समझ में आया हेलो समझ में आया क्या सबको
Yes.
हाँ आपको जैसे आती है वैसे करो बेटा
Okay.
थोड़ी थोड़ी तो करो क्योंकि आपको मार्क्स देने हैं ना मुझे अगर आप नहीं करेंगे तो मैं मार्क्स कहाँ से दूंगी एब्सेंट ही लगती है फिर आपकी श्रेया तूने एक भी नहीं भेजी मुझे अभी तक
क्या?
एक्टिविटी होमवर्क अभी तक पीटी का नहीं करती है क्या बेटा खाना खा रही है खाना खा रही है
Yes.
खाओ खाओ आराम से खाओ अमृता और राज भेजते हैं बीच बीच में हाँ और बाकी बच्चों को भी भेजना है ठीक है बाय आपका कैरी ऑन
Okay. Bye, Miss.
बाय 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 बाय
Bye, miss. Okay, everyone. This week you have to promise me that you will send your PT videos to miss. Make 30-second का video. Yeah.
Okay,
How does
Miss.
exercise help? When we do exercise ना तो हमारे बॉडी में फील गुड हार्मोन्स रिलीज होते हैं और उससे हमें बहुत हैप्पी फीलिंग आती है. अंजलि, कैन यू नॉट प्रेजेंट? अपने प्रेजेंटिंग पे क्लिक कर दिया. स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग प्लीज. अंजलि वहाँ पे स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग का ये जो बटन है ना ब्लू में लिखा आ रहा है प्लीज इस पे क्लिक करो स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग पे. ऊपर लिखा रहा है देखो, अंजलि ऊपर ऊपर देखो, स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग का एक ब्लू में बटन लिखा रहा है ना. या वेरी गुड. ओके. Alright. So as I was saying, class, when you exercise now, you will feel very good because body में ऐसी chemicals release होते हैं जिससे you feel good. Okay.
Okay.
All right. With that, let's start today's meeting. Let me present my screen to all of you.
Yes. Teacher, there is white something coming on screen.
Okay, I've not started presenting right now. Let me
Okay.
present. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Can you see all of you coming now? Yeah. All right. Now I'm sitting on the slide. Can you see the slide?
Yes.
All right. Can I request everyone to mute themselves because now we are starting the presentation. Come on, everyone mute yourself. Okay, very good. So let's begin. So welcome to this week's weekly check-in call, everyone. Today's call will be led by Amrita and Raj in the second part of it, okay? All right, new announcement. We have a new fellow. So you know, right? Siddhant sir fellowship got over, 2 years got over, so he left. So now we have a new fellow. Her name is Payal. So she could not join us in today's call, but we have her. She will be teaching you full time like I do after 2 months from September. Right now, she's undergoing her training. Once her training is done, she will join us. So, to tell you a bit about Payal, so you can call her Payal teacher or you can call her Payal Didi. Okay, you can call her any way you like. Like me, you call me, some of you call me Didi and some of you call me teacher. Anything is okay. So you can call me, you can call her also. So Payal, so she actually is actually my teacher. So all her life she has taught students. She used to teach like other teachers in your class. So after she got retired, so she worked for her entire life. After she got retired, then she decided to join the fellowship. So she retired last year and she has joined the fellowship this year. So that is about Payal's background. So she is going to be your new teacher for the next 2 days. I spoke to her the other day and she sounded amazing. So now I will stop presenting and we have to do something, okay? So what we have to do is we have to create a video for her, very short video. And in that, you have to say hi to her and you have to say how excited you are to have a new fellow in your class. Are you excited? Yeah. So you can unmute yourself and everyone unmute yourself. Come on, everyone unmute. Ishwari, unmute kar lo. Everyone unmute yourself. Yes. I can record it on my phone as well. So, all right, you can say hi to Payal, read your teacher however you like. So, at the count of 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Would anyone like to share how you're feeling about Payal Didi joining our class?
Yes.
Who wants to go first? Yeah, Raj, go.
I am so excited to see Didi.
Yeah, to meet her. Miss by you also. Anyone else who would like to say anything else?
No. I am very happy.
Yeah, Amrita, you wanna go?
Yes. I'm feeling very excited to see her, and I'm thinking that today there is two teachers which teach us, because before there is one sir and one teacher, and I am excited to see to listen his journey, because every teacher came and their journey is very interesting.
Ooh, nice. All right, so I'm pretty sure Payal Didi, she will start teaching you a one class, I think, every week, or two classes every week from next to next week. So you will get to meet her then, and you will get to hear her journey. So Payal Didi, we are very excited to have you in our class. We'll see you soon. Okay, say bye to her now.
Bye.
All right. Thank you. So I will send this. You can all mute yourselves again. Okay, so I will send this video to her. So everyone, like you, we created this video. Everyone, all the classrooms in TFI classrooms in Mumbai have created a video for their fellow, because everyone got a fellow, like you guys got. So everyone has created this. So we'll send this to her and let's see how she feels. Okay, let me again share my screen. We'll go on to the second point. Okay, you can see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So this was the big news for you. So your new fellow for the next 2 years was Payal Devi. Okay. Second, we have a new WhatsApp group. Yeah. So I'll tell you. So this group is called Gupshup School Group. So description for the group is: this is a place where we come together with our classmates to talk, laugh, cry, and have fun together. Okay. So about this group, everyone, so I saw that on WhatsApp, you were sending messages and you wanted to talk to each other. But because we have homework there, and अगर आप लोग बात करोगे तो homework message बहुत ऊपर चला जाता है, and it's difficult for everyone to see. I asked you not to talk on WhatsApp group, on our school WhatsApp group. But I really want all of you to talk to each other, because school में आप लोग एक दूसरे से बात करते थे. Now you're missing your friends. So I thought of creating a new group, which is called as Gupshup. Gupshup का मतलब होता है बातें करना. So there's a new WhatsApp group called Gupshup group, जिसका link I will share with all of you after this call on our school group. वो link use करके आप Gupshup group को join कर सकते हो. Now it is not compulsory for all of you to join it. अगर आप join करना चाहते हो, only then join. गपशप ग्रुप पे आप सिर्फ एक दूसरे से बात करोगे. आई विल नॉट सेंड एनी पढ़ाई वाली चीजें उस पे. ओके, आई विल ओनली सेंड फन थिंग्स ऑन इट एंड यू कैन ऑल टॉक टू ईच अदर. आई विल ऑल्सो शेयर सबके कॉन्टैक्ट्स. जैसे मैं कॉन्टैक्ट शेयर करूंगी, और अगर आप अपने फोन में वो कॉन्टैक्ट सेव करोगे करेक्ट नाम से, तो आपको हमेशा पता चलेगा कि कौन मैसेज भेज रहा है. क्योंकि यू आस्क दिस टू ईच अदर, व्हाट इज योर नेम, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो हु इट इज. सो आई विल शेयर सबके कॉन्टैक्ट्स सो दैट आप अपने फोन में सेव कर लेना सबके कॉन्टैक्ट, जिससे कि जो भी मैसेज भेजेगा उनका नाम लिखा आएगा. अगर कॉन्टैक्ट सेव नहीं होता है तो नंबर आता है, बट अगर आप कॉन्टैक्ट सेव कर लोगे तो उनका नाम लिखा आएगा, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सी किसने मैसेज भेजा. यू विल नॉट हैव टू आस्क एवरी टाइम कि हु इज सेंडिंग द मैसेज. ओके, सो आर यू एक्साइटेड अबाउट द न्यू गपशप ग्रुप? Yeah. All right, wonderful. So that is it, I think, from my side. Now presenting my screen again one last time. Okay, now the second part of the call is Changemaker workshop by Amrita and Raj. I chose these picture of theirs because they were laughing with their teeth shown and I really liked it. So over to you guys, Amrita and Raj. The floor is yours. Please take us through the workshop. How they're conducting this workshop. So few weeks back, I shared on the group एक workshop था which was conducted by Bangalore TFI team. तो अमृता एंड राज अटेंडेड दैट वर्कशॉप. तो उस वर्कशॉप से उन्होंने जो भी सीखा है, व्हाटएवर दे लर्नड ऑन दैट वर्कशॉप, दैट उसको यूज करके दे आर टेकिंग ऑल ऑफ आवर्स वर्कशॉप नाउ. ओके, ऑलराइट अमृता एंड राज, go for it.
Hi guys.
today we are going to learn about change maker. Little bit, but in that little bit we learn lots of things. And did anyone hear this before the word change maker? Did I, if wait if she or he
What are you saying?
what is
I think, can anyone else hear Amrita and Raj or अटक गया उन लोग का? अटक गया ना? Yeah.
Yes.
Let them read Joy. Amrita and Raj, you were frozen. आपका इंटरनेट में थोड़ा lag था, तो can you repeat that?
okay?
You can switch off your video if you want to do that. Video switch off करके lag नहीं आएगा.
Okay.
Yeah, now you can try speaking.
Today we are going to learn about change maker. Little bit, but in that little bit we learn a lots of things. Okay. Hear this before the word change. Wait, if he or she will say all of us, say of all of us that what is change maker? What is this about? Anyone can say?
Guys, feel free to unmute yourself and say. If you think you know the meaning of change maker, then unmute yourself and say.
You can try. Okay, I can give a
Feel free to cold call anyone. Cold call means you can directly call their name and they will have to say whatever comes to their mind. So feel free to do that. Giving you that permission.
I am giving a hint. We always learn about a good person. We learn about bad person. No, like that is a don in our area, and he always give abusing language to others. And we will learn about him. No, we will learn about a good person. Like in our values section, we will learn that we will think that I will also become like he or she. Then I will also get lot of respect. Now this was the hint. Now anyone can say what is meaning of change
Teacher,
maker.
I can tell.
Okay, Shreya, go.
I think so that someone is abusing, then we have to change that person. You have to not like tell like this, and not you have to tell like in manners and respect.
Yes. Yes. Anyone else? Anjali Kandu. Anyone? Misbah? You can try.
Misbah, unmute yourself and try. Change maker. ठीक है? Yeah, Ishwari go. Ishwari go.
Amrita, I can try.
Yes. Okay, go.
If we are going wrong, then we have to change as like this.
Ishwari, that is right in a way. Amrita, did you hear what Ishwari said? So Ishwari said if we are going wrong, then we have to change that.
Oh, that's true. And anyone else? If we can go ahead.
Go ahead, go ahead. If you,
Do you know chat box in Google Meet? Then write in chat box your name and which superpower you want. Like example, I want a power of to do work fast. Go and write down fast.
Okay, everyone. Instead of just writing hi, now write your name and write what superpower you want. Also write your superpower, Shreya. Okay, everyone. Like Raj gave example, do that way.
Gita Suni. My power is. My name is.
Amazing. Really good. मेरा है ना
तेरे पावर क्या है?
Come on, everyone. Go ahead, write. So we have. So I wrote Mansi and I want superpower to fly. Amrita wrote she wants superpower to read everyone's mind. Shreya wrote she wants superpower of to fly in the sky. Then we have Anas, Kef, Misbah. So Misbah wrote he wants superpower to run very fast. Ooh, nice.
वो वाला तो दिखाई नहीं है वो वाला पहले
So I think this is Asif. Asif has written he wants superpower. Where is Asif? Yeah, Asif superpower of good writing. So he wants to write very nicely. Asif, very good, nice. Anas Kef, you also write what superpower you want.
बोल ना.
We have Abhishek from B section as well. Guys, write what superpower you would like.
Hello. Everyone has done.
Ishwari wants to fly. There's someone who's hiding their face over there. Who's that? Kef. Hi, Kef. Okay, Amrita, I think we can go ahead.
Okay. Teacher, you can play screen one.
Amrita, try showing the chart you made. So everyone, Amrita and Raj have created 3 beautiful, amazing charts. So they will try to show it to you. See if it is visible.
Okay. Look at.
Can you read what is written?
Yeah. Here is written. Here is written. Who is the
Okay, okay.
change
Amrita, it is very difficult to hear your voice properly. So what you can do is switch off your video. I will display on the screen. I will share my screen. You switch off your video and then talk, okay? Because we can't hear you because bandwidth internet का नहीं है तो video हटा दो.
Okay.
Yes, I will present my screen, guys. I'll present so that you can see. Okay, now can everyone see the chart they made on their screen? Can everyone see? Give me a thumbs up if you can see. Very good. Amrita, continue.
Here is written who is a change maker. I have said you. I will say the answer also. And there is a boy you can see here. And there is a fallen word. He is not so strong. He can pick up. But he's saying I will solve it. And there are 2 boys who is saying I will become like you. And the second boy is telling me too. Like we learn about good person, then we think we will also become like her or him. Like they are also thinking. You can play second one. Yes, this one. Now there is a boy who is saying value you can show. No, value you want to definitely show. And this, there are 8 values. I will send this photo in group. And now I will say the name: courage, compassion, critical thinking, creativity, consciousness, communication, collaboration, and curiosity. This eight values we cannot we will definitely show. And how Raj say that chat box in Google Meet, you have to go there. Wait, don't go now. You have to go there and you have to write your name and you have to write the value that you are better in that and the value you want to improve it. For example, my name is Amrita. I am nice in courage because I am confident. What I want to say, I say, and I want to improve in collaboration because in collaboration, I every single day I think I want to be alone. I don't want to do teamwork, but I want to improve that. Like this, you have to write. Go.
All right, everyone. Some of you might not know the meaning of all the values, so I'm just explaining. After I explain, you can use the chat box to write which value you are good in and which value you are not so good in right now, but you want to improve. You want to get better in that value. So, as courage, Amrita said, it's like having lot of confidence. So, compassion is you feel what other is feeling. Critical thinking is thinking about something and finding solutions. Creativity is like an artist who really want to, who does things in a very new way, in a very different way. That is creativity. Consciousness is so you think कि मैंने ऐसा बिहेव किया, मैंने उसके ऊपर चिल्लाया, बट मैंने क्यों चिल्लाया, मैंने उसके साथ गंदा बिहेव किया, मैंने क्यों किया, मैंने उसके साथ अच्छा बिहेव किया, क्यों किया. तो आप खुद सोचते हो, आप रिफ्लेक्ट करते हो कि मैंने जो किया वो क्यों किया. Communication, everyone knows to talk to each other nicely, and not just nicely, so that everyone knows what you are thinking and you also listen to them. Collaboration is when you work in team. Curiosity is, remember we saw this video on curiosity. Curiosity is asking questions. So these are all the values. Now think which value you are good in and which value you're not so good in and share on chat box. So Amrita gave you an example like that. You have to share. Okay? I will also share on chat box. You also share. Come on, everyone, type and share. Use the chat box. Come on, write. Amrita and Raj, you also share on chat box. So everyone, if you are having problem with these values, you can choose any value that you know already. अगर कोई value है जो आपको already पता है, आप वो भी choose कर सकते हो. अगर ये values choose नहीं करनी है, it's okay. You can choose your own values which you already know. You already know what you are good in and what you need to improve on. है ना? आपको किसमें better होना है वो भी आपको पता है. आपको ये भी पता है आप किस चीज में अच्छे हो. So you can go write about that value. We will have value sessions next week se jahan pe you will learn about these values. Okay, so Raj, so Mansi, that is I wrote I'm good in communication and I want to improve on consciousness. Okay, and Raj wrote he's good in collaboration, that is teamwork, but he's not that good and he wants to improve in critical thinking. Waiting for everyone to write. Amrita wrote, she's good in courage, but she's not so good in collaboration. Amrita, Raj is good in collaboration, so you can, learn from Raj how he collaborates with other people. So guys, always look out who is better than you in something, and जो भी आपसे किसी चीज में better हो, learn from that person. How do they do it? And when you learn from that person, you will also become better. You will also become good in it. All right, everyone, instead of writing on the chat box, one by one, just come on off mute and share. Share by telling. So we'll start with Shreya. Shreya, unmute yourself. You're first in my screen. So that's why. Unmute yourself and share. You don't have to type. Oh, Asif wrote. Asif says he's good in courage, but not so much in critical thinking. That is looking for solutions. Okay, very, very good, Asif. Yours is similar to Amrita and Raj. Shreya wrote, okay, Shreya wrote, she's good in curiosity. She has to improve on critical thinking. Very good, Shreya. Okay, so जो भी नहीं लिख रहा है chat में उसको सबके सामने बोलना पड़ेगा. So you choose. You want to write on chat or you want to say? Okay, Misbah, go ahead, unmute yourself and share. If you're having trouble, Misbah, you can think about क्या लोग बोलते हैं कि you thank you किस चीज के लिए आपको बहुत बोलते हैं और क्या बोलते हैं कि आप इस चीज में बहुत अच्छे हो और फिर किस चीज में अच्छे नहीं हो. थिंक आपकी मम्मी क्या बोलती है आपको, किस चीज के लिए डांटती है, उस चीज में आप इतने अच्छे नहीं हो. ऐसे करके सोचो.
पढ़ाई में अच्छा नहीं.
ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि आप करते नहीं हो, राइट? ओके, एंड किस चीज में अच्छे हो?
सबकी मदद करनी.
सबकी मदद. वेरी गुड. मैं भी यही बोलने वाली थी कि यू आर वेरी वेरी गुड इन हेल्पिंग एवरीवन. वेरी वेरी गुड मिसबा. वेरी ट्रू. सो कोलैबोरेशन. Yeah, you're very good in teamwork and helping everyone. Compassion also. Compassion and collaboration, these two C's you are very good in. Helping के लिए आपको compassion चाहिए होता है and collaboration चाहिए होता है. Both you are very good in. Yeah, and some part of critical thinking also, because you have to think कि how can I help them. So some part of critical thinking also. So 3 values you are good in. Very good. Okay. Think you're not so good in studies. I would not say that. Not studies. I would say you're not good in working hard. So it's not studies. It's about working hard. Okay. Thank you, Misbah, for sharing. Asif. Okay. So Asif has written he's good in school. So instead of school, I would say Asif, you are good in hard work. आप बहुत hard work करते हो, so you are good in that. And you have to improve on critical thinking. Okay, so critical thinking is looking for solutions. Very good, Asif. Thank you so much for sharing that. Now we have 3 people left. Ishwari, Anas, and one more person, Mahadev Yadav. Who is this? Who is Mahadev Yadav?
Abhishek.
Okay, Abhishek. All right. The 3 of you, please share. Yes, Amrita. Yeah, Abhishek, go.
I am good in helping.
You're good in helping. Very, very good. Thank you so much, Abhishek. And what do you want to improve on? Abhi, you're not good, but you want to get better at it. What is that?
In reading and writing.
Okay, thank you so much. In reading and writing, you want to get better. So hard work थोड़ा सा करना है. If you do it every day, you will get better. All right, Abhishek, thank you so much for sharing. Anas, go.
I am helping.
In helping, you are very good. Okay, amazing. And what do you want to improve on, Anas?
Reading and helping.
Reading and
Writing.
reading and writing. Okay, so you also want to improve on hard work. Value क्या हुआ? Value है hard work and consistency. Consistency मतलब to do something every day. So you want to improve on that. Okay. Ishwari, you are left. Share, please.
I think I'm good at to share things, and I'm not good at. I'm to improve. What I'm to improve? To read. So big words.
Okay. And what did you say? What are you good in?
To share things.
Collaboration. Got it, to share things. Awesome, Ishwari. So Ishwari says she's good in sharing things. So that's collaboration, compassion. But she's not that good in reading big words. So that means hard work and consistency to do these things every day. All right.
देखो जरा और मैं मतलब चालू है
Okay.
नहीं किया
Amrita and Raj, everyone has shared. You want to continue, please?
Yes.
Okay.
This everyone wants to do. Make notes. Encourage our friend to answer. Don't be shy. Be confident and see that our member are doing the work we gave or not. If you have any doubt, you can ask to us. Teacher, hello. Mansi me? Yes. No. Not
Yes,
this
I'm
one.
sharing. Yeah. I know. This one?
Yeah. Yes.
Great.
First one is feeling how are we are feeling, and second one is imaging what are we image like our mind, and do. Third is do what are you doing right now, and fourth is share, do and share with us.
Okay,
Like
so 1 second. Sorry to cut you in between here, guys. So one thing I'm gonna say. So these are 4 steps. If you have to solve any problem, so many of you said you're not that good in critical thinking. So I'm telling. So Amrita and Raj are telling you 4 steps. If you follow these 4 steps, you will become very good in critical thinking. Even if you think you are good in it, if you do those 4 steps, you will become 1,000 times better. Yeah, because even if I'm good in something, I can become better in that also. है ना? So follow these 4 steps to solve problems. Abhi Amrita and Raj are gonna tell you how. So listen very closely how to do these 4 steps. The 4 steps are feel, imagine, do, and then share. Okay, go, guys.
like Raj said, the four steps: feel, imagine, do, and share. And like we, how what change maker do? They solve the problem. They find where are problems. We can solve it. And first, like I give a problem to you that uh, in there is a gutter in our area, and everyone throw garbages in that, and the when rain come, the rain waters did not pass it stop and it's flow from the gutter, and the smells get very bad. Now what I will follow these four steps. First, I will feel it. If it's happened with me, how will I feel? And imagine it is happening. And do means write or think what is solution, and then share with everyone. Now Now I close my eyes. I'll follow these four steps. Now my answer is I will I will I will say to my parents that I can say this to community, and I will share this with community also, and I will what the solution was, I will call to police, and we can't be a single second outside to see who is throwing or not. That's why I will call police, and he will see that who is throwing or not, and who will throw, he will take in charge. He will find him. This was my solution, and the next time no one will throw garbage again. Like this, you have to solve the problems. I will give you two problems. Okay.
Yes.
I can say
Yes, yeah. Okay. Just wait. So I will also want to explain what Amrita explained again. So her problem was people were throwing in the gutter, and during monsoon, during rain, the gutter was getting blocked because of the plastic, and all the garbage was coming out. So following the steps that Amrita followed, she felt first. She closed her eyes and she felt. She felt how would I feel अगर वो garbage का ऐसे smell होएगा. I would not feel nice. And then she imagined she's standing there and it's all पानी भर गया है, सारा कूड़ा बाहर है. Oh my god, yo! ऐसा feel है. That is what she imagined. Then she's like, do में she thought, what can I do? What can I do to solve this? So she thought, let me call policemen and they can find people who are throwing garbage. So that is what she thought. वो do में उसने किया. Then share में she shared her solution with all of you. Simple? Alright. Now Amrita and Raj are going to share two problems with you and you will have to do these 4 steps and share. Okay? So Amrita, go. Amrita and Raj, go. Share your problems.
yes. The problem is in the our prime minister says that the lockdown is for 1 month, only for 1 month, but our mother think that the lockdown will be go very long, and she takes 5 months ration, and then the ration can be waste also. If lockdown is open, the problem is gone, and the all food will be waste expired. Then what you will do? Follow these 4 steps. Okay, go. We are giving you 20 seconds.
So guys, the problem is you have a lot of your mother bought 5 months का ration, but 1 month में lockdown खत्म हो गया. Now you have so much food. Now ये food waste हो सकता है, right? There's a chances ये food waste हो जाए क्योंकि lockdown 1 month में ही open हो गया. So now what will you do? So follow the 4 steps. Feel अगर आप उस situation में हो, imagine करो आपके घर में food waste हो रहा है. Then think what will you do? And then share. You have 20 seconds. Go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds more.
Come on guys, critical thinking. थोड़ा सा problem होएगा but easy हो जाएगा. Think of any solution. अगर
Yes,
extra
done,
food है
teacher.
तो what to do? Done? Okay. So guys, they have 2 problems. So first problem का 3 people will answer. फिर जो remaining 3 लोग हैं वो लोग second problem का solution share करेंगे. So that way everyone gets to share. So for problem 1, who wants to share? Shreya. Okay, Shreya, go.
Teacher, I will feel that if we are wasting the food, then people are dying to take the food and they want to eat food. So I will imagine that I can give the poor people the food that wasted, that waste things. We can give the poor people food, and they can give us bless.
Yes, they can give you blessings. Very good.
And
You can feed that to poor people. Very, very good. Yes.
I can do that. I can tell my mother. I, I can tell my mother that you can that wasted food we can give the wasted food to poor people. Then we will share that food with poor people.
Beautiful, beautiful answer, Shreya. Very good. Who wants to go next? Okay, Shreya, you can tag anyone. Tag anyone, Shreya.
Wait, teacher. Ishwari.
Okay, Ishwari, go. What is your solution? You have extra food in your house. What is your solution?
Why is that one only? If I have extra food, I can give only to poor people and who do not have food. I can give them and tell to mother. Same to Shreya.
Okay, wonderful. Ishwari, tag someone.
Teacher, I can listen. Her voice is so less.
Acha, Ishwari said she has the same solution. She will also she'll ask her mother to give food to poor people who do not have the food. So thank you so much, Ishwari. Okay, anyone who has a different solution, who would do things differently if they have extra food?
I will put bandhara. Teacher, my
Yeah,
sister,
sir.
big sister is telling that I will put bandhara.
Yeah, that's a nice solution. No, that's a very valid solution. Definitely, of course. Thank you so much for sharing, Shreya's sister.
Yeah, not big sister, elder sister.
Oh, yes. Very good. Raj is right. Big sister is wrong word. Elder is correct. Okay, anyone else with a different answer? Okay, I have an answer. My solution is some part of that food, of course, I'll give it to people who do not have, but I will keep some part. There are lots of animals on road, stray animals who do not have food. I will use that food to feed those animals because they also want to eat. Okay, Amrita and Raj, share your next problem. What is the next problem? We are all ready.
The next problem, teacher, what we call of our head of the house?
Head of the house, you can say head of the house.
No, that not.
Then
From the house the house is packed from that from open.
say in Hindi, please. Explain.
Hello?
Teacher, she is telling that उसने कब्जा. I mean that only na Amrita.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. लैंडलॉर्ड जिससे आप घर का रेंट जिसको आप घर का रेंट देते हो.
No, like patra. That one.
Like what?
Patra.
Say patra. I don't understand what that means.
That like in building there are terrace.
Huh?
Terrace like this. It is in house also na in chawls.
Acha, what is that called? You can use the word patra. If it is called patra, you can use the word patra.
It is in Hindi, but what I know it's like floor only at up.
Okay, anyone knows?
Teacher, I think so. She's telling that to cover that house from upside, that blue.
That जो shed जो होता है tin वाला.
Yeah. That in the house shape upside.
Acha, got it. So, Amrita, you can use tin shed. I think you can use that also, or you can say temporary roofing.
Okay, I will use the word only.
Yeah, you use patra word. That's okay.
In our patra, the
Everyone knows what patra is. Give me a thumbs up if you know what patra is. Okay, everyone knows. Misbah, Asif also knows. Misbah, you know?
कैमरा ऑन करो.
Okay.
Teacher,
So,
I think Patra means chat. I think chat.
Chhat.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah.
Ceiling. You can say ceiling.
Yes. In our ceiling, there is a hole, and we don't put a plastic wrapper. And when rain came and the water come in our house. When we sleep, when the heavy rain came, we got a problem to sleep. Then what we will do?
Okay, that's like yes, Sanas.
बल्टी रख दे और क्या Teacher, can you tell that what she tell again?
Yeah. So the problem is, so in the ceiling, right? हमारे घर का जो ceiling होता है, उसमें there is a hole, okay? And we have not put that plastic वाला wrapper on it, the blue color one. Now there is rain, heavy rainfall, बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो गया, and now there is water in the house, of course, right? Tip 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 करके खूब सारा पानी आ गया. Now what will you do? That's the problem. Every one of us face that problem, right? Even if you don't have patra, normal ceiling में भी कभी कभार टिप 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 करके पानी आ जाता है, right? So what will you do? Think. First feel, then imagine, then think, as in do, and then share.
Teacher, I'm ready.
Okay, share.
I will feel very angry that that water. Then
Yeah.
I can uh, I can put plastic upon chhat,
Yeah.
and I can call repairer to repair.
Very good. You can put that plastic and you can call people to repair it also. Very, very good, Ishwari. Thank you for sharing that. Anyone else who has not shared till now? We have Abhishek. Abhishek, you did not share. Asif, did you share? Anas, have you shared?
अभी बोल रहे कहाँ पे
Okay, I'm tagging Asif.
Teacher,
Yeah, sure. You wanna go?
my sister is telling that she want to tell.
Yeah, okay. Put her on.
Teacher, first I will stay in a confidence, then I will think about it, then I will put some plastic or anything. And I will call the plumber.
Okay.
And I will call the plumber.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing. Yes, that is one thing. You can put plastic on it and then you can call someone to repair it. Very, very good. Anyone else? Misbah, come on. Unmute yourself and share.
इसलिए मुझे मजा आता है.
What will you do? Think about something else. We have learned, right? Not all solutions are good solutions.
टीचर फिर बोली फिर एक क्या भेजी हो?
So you can share anything, any solution. It may work, it might not work, but important thing is to come up with solution. अच्छा आप अभी imagine करो मिसबा, imagine right now you are sitting in this room, right? Suddenly rain has started to come. Now because of the rain, now think there's a tip 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 coming from your ceiling. Just think. Right now you're sitting there and that tip 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 is happening. Now that rain has increased, that tip tip has also increased. There's this lot of water coming from your ceiling. What will you do? What is the next thing you will do? Just tell me. Don't think. Tell me. Right now, if it is happening, what will you do?
I go and I do
Don't think. Say. You'll go and tell. Very good. That's the right answer. You'll go and tell.
to to
सबसे पहले तो you will get up. You will not sit in that tip, right? So you will get up. Next thing, you will go. And who will you tell? You will tell your parents only, right? That's the next thing you will do, of course. So don't think, just say.
parents and society.
Yeah, you will tell society people. Yes. Now imagine society people and your parents have gone on holiday. They're not there. They've gone on holiday, they've gone out. And you can't call them also on mobile. Not possible. Now you're all by yourself and it is tip is happening. What's the other thing you will do? Now you're all by yourself.
I tell my neighbor.
No one is there in your building.
Then I do that work.
You'll do?
I do something that don't की आवाज नहीं आए टिप टिप की.
अच्छा एंड व्हाट विल यू डू आवाज नहीं आए तो ठीक है क्योंकि टिप टिप था बट पानी भी तो आ रहा है टिप टिप की आवाज क्यों आ रही है क्योंकि पानी आ रहा है तो उस पानी का क्या करोगे
बाल्टी लगा दूंगा.
very good that's the solution thank you so much Misbah for sharing you've solved the problem he'll put a bucket yeah that's the first thing that you will do अगर पानी गिर रहा है तो उसके नीचे बाल्टी लगा देंगे जिससे कि पानी एटलीस्ट बाकी चीजें गीली नहीं होंगी. Very good. Thank you so much, Misbah. You are one step closer to become a critical thinker. Very, very good. Yeah, of course. Plastic लगाना वो सब बात की बात है. Starting में we will definitely put a bucket, right? Okay. So class, Amrita and Raj, we are done sharing because it's already 4 o'clock. Do you have anything else to share?
Yes.
Okay, go.
We are not a teacher, but we are a change maker. We all are here a change maker. And if you will tell to others, they will become a change maker. And then they will tell. Like this, we will spread this all over the world. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much, Amrita and Raj. Amrita, you said it very, very beautifully. So, Amrita and Raj attended the workshop. They learned about who a change maker is. They learned about the 4 steps. Then they came here and they taught all of you who a change maker is and what are the 4 steps to follow. So, everyone unmute yourself. Come on, unmute. Only 1 more minute on the call, then we are done. Come on, unmute yourself. Shreya,
we can give Raj feedback that like
yes. Wait. We'll give feedback in a while. Wait. We'll give feedback. But right now, unmute yourself. Okay. Now, at the count of 3, we will all say the 4 steps together. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Feel, imagine,
Do,
share.
Very good. Wonderful session, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you will tell all these 4 steps to other people and you will use these 4 steps in day-to-day life to solve problems around you. The more problems you solve, the more easy it will become for you to become a critical thinker and problem solver. And these are very, very important qualities if you want to become a leader and successful in life. Yeah. Okay. Now, as Ishwari suggested, thank you so much, Ishwari, for suggesting that. You can quickly give Amrita and Raj feedback for their workshop.
You know,
If you have anything to share with them, you can.
which I can tell.
Yeah.
Amrita and Raj has done well. and I understood everything that Amrita and Raj said.
Wonderful.
And
Thank
my
you.
sister was welcome.
Amrita and Raj. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Go share.
Amrita and Raj, you perform very, very nice. I like it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone else would like to share any feedback? Yes, Anas, go.
Very good, Radha and Amrita. I understand all questions and answers.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. 1 second. You are only telling good thing. You can see which we can improve it, and in next section we can do it.
Yes.
As if you want to share.
Teacher. My sister
Yes,
wants
yeah.
to tell. My
Yes,
sister
yes,
wants to
yes, yes.
tell.
Put her on.
Teacher, my name is Sandhya, and Amrita and Raj was very awesome, and they asked some question which was very funny. So I liked the lecture.
Thank you,
So
Didi.
Sandhya really liked it.
Thank you.
Okay. Any feedback, if anyone?
No.
All right.
Teacher,
So
you give.
yes, I was doing that. Amrita and Raj, awesome session. I loved it. I loved the effort that you put in. First, you attended that session and learned so beautifully. Then you created the charts and all, and then here everyone understood. Everyone loved it. You are already becoming leaders because you have taught 6 more people what it is to solve for. It's a very very big thing. Congratulations. You asked Amrita for something you can improve on. So, did you observe where I came in today's session, and I was telling people to do certain things while you were
Yes.
telling the things? I was so one thing that you can improve on is how you explain things. So, if needed, try to write it down. Pehle se whatever you want to exactly say, then you can read from that. You can start by that so that your explanation is clear. With time you will get better at it. Second, you can call on people. जैसे मैं call कर रही थी, so this person is saying this person is saying that. You can start doing that a bit in the call. ठीक है?
Okay.
How will you learn to do it? Practicing. The more you do it, easier it will become. When I started
Thank you.
teaching last year, I was very scared. But by the end of last year, I learned how to teach you all. है ना? So,
Yeah.
same way. To learn by doing. All right, everyone. With that, we're ending today's call. Thank you so
Miss,
much, everyone.
wait.
Yeah.
When you share report cards of test.
Test tomorrow. Not
Okay,
before
thank
tomorrow.
you.
Yeah. Yes, Miss Ba, you had something.
तो आप ग्रुप बनाओगे ना?
Yes, group already is ready है. मैं उसका लिंक शेयर कर रही हूँ अभी स्कूल ग्रुप पे. ग्रुप रेडी है. मैंने जो
Yes.
फोटो शेयर किया था प्रेजेंटेशन में, वो मैंने ग्रुप का ही स्क्रीनशॉट लिया था. Okay. Anything else? Any other questions?
No.
Okay. Thank you everyone for being such amazing participants for their workshop and for engaging so well. Everyone, अगर आप लोग engage नहीं करते, अगर आप answer नहीं करते, तो workshop अच्छे से नहीं होता. So thank you so much everyone. We will all meet next week now. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Yes, stay safe. Bye Sandhya. Bye Priya, Anas, Asif, Ishwari, Misbah. Bye.
Bye.
You can end. You can
Bye.
end the call and go. Anas, leave the call. रेड बटन पे क्लिक कर दो.